Hello and welcome. It's your girl Angie for Love here. How are you all doing today? So I want to show you quickly in this tutorial video how you can create your own viral dancing baby videos, right? I'm sure you've seen the videos all around. So this is how you can create yours, the viral baby dancing videos. Okay, so there are so many ways, but I just want to tell you or show you the easiest and the fastest way. So this is the prompt here. I'm going to what's it called, I'm going to pin this prompt. I'm going to pin it in the comment section of this video, so you don't have to go through the from the scratch and all of that. So I'm going to pin this prompt, and then you can just what's it called, tweak it the way you like. So as you can see, this is the image that was generated using this prompt. So I'm going to pin it for you. So the first step, you go to your ChatGPT, you create your, you generate your image. There's the image, you save it, done. So the next step now is for you to go to this app, Kling AI. Where is it? Okay, let me just copy it here. Kling. Okay, here you have it, Kling AI. So you can see it is here, Kling AI. So the next thing you have to do, you click on, you can see here AI video, you can see motion control. So you click on it, upload the picture. Good, as you can see the picture is here already. Now you see where they say add motion video. So you can choose any of these ones here, but you have to click on this plus sign to upload of you dancing. Maybe you have a video of you dancing, you can upload it. So I'm just going to upload this one. I've already uploaded it before, and I'm sure most of you have seen the video before. So this is my video here, so I'm just going to click on that. Okay, just click on the plus sign, select from your camera roll, you look for the video. Okay, let me also say this: if you don't have any video of you dancing, you can use any of those templates there, like I said, or you can go to TikTok or Facebook or even Instagram and download video of any celebrity dancing. The video here, say done. So that's the video there. After that, next thing, you click on this prompt here, you say the character. Okay, the character in the image, or uploaded image, anyone you want to say. The character in the uploaded image should do what now? Replicate. Yes, should replicate the exact moves, expressions, motions, and steps shown in the video, or you can say in the reference video. That is the video of you dancing, right? Good. After that, you click on done, and then you click on this generate. As you can see here, they are saying I need 216 credits to generate this. So if you're doing this for the first time, you might see that it is free, right? But this Kling AI, it's a paid app. You can try, I think 3 videos for free or so, thereabout. But after then, you have to subscribe, as in you have to keep on subscribing for these things. You have to pay. So as you can see for 330 whatever, blah blah blah. So that's it. I hope you got value from this video, and follow me for more.
She built her business from the ground up. But one message changed everything.
No CAC, no protection.
Customers knew her, but legally in CAC's eye, she didn't exist.
So register your business name with CAC today. Send a DM to the number on your screen. Hello, it's your girl Angie for Love here. So in this short tutorial, in this video, I'm going to show you business owners how you can retrieve your tax identification number. In other words, your TIN, your TIN. So as you can see, the portal, taxid.nrs.gov.ng. So you just go to this website, and at the top here you can see individual, corporate, others. For business owners, you click on corporate. When you do that, you see they said select organization type and then enter ID number. So you click on the drop down. Okay, so if your business, if it's a business name, you click on business name. If it's company, you do that. If it is incorporated trustee, that is NGO, you do that. So for me, it's my own is business name, so I just want to show you sample. So I'll click on business name and then I'll put my business registration number, that's my BN number. And then when you do that, you click on retrieve tax ID. Okay, it's loading. There you have it. Let's say, hello, Angie for Love Integrated Enterprise. Your RC number has been successfully verified and matches a tax ID in our system. Your tax ID is blah, 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 blah. So that's it. Simple, short, straight to the point, simple as ABC. So go and get your tax identification number today, your TIN. If you already have JTB TIN before now, that's invalid, it's no more valid. This is the valid one. So just go to this site and retrieve your TIN number. All right, thank you. See you on the inside, and yeah, follow me for more. And yes, I can help you register your business name or upgrade your business name to a company LTD. WhatsApp the number on your screen. So your business name and company registration with CAC is not something you should joke with, especially as a business owner, an entrepreneur, or a creative or a professional who is building something for the long term. WhatsApp Angie for Love Integrated Enterprise now, so that we can begin your business registration immediately. See you on the inside, and cheers.
I love you. Keep showing up.
Ready or not, here I come. All right, you need to register your business name. Not your business name. You need to register your business as a limited liability company, LTD, with the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC. WhatsApp me on +1 36 888 99714, and that's on period. See you on inside. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's your girl Angie for Love. How are you all doing today? Oh, clock it. All right, so it's a beautiful day, beautiful week. I want to use this opportunity to also, you already know what I want to say, right? You have to come and register your business name, your company, and even your NGO with the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC. And Angie for Love Integrated Enterprise is your show plug. Now, I want you to WhatsApp us on +1 36 888 99714. Let me call that again. +1 36 888 99714. And I'm going to see you guys on the inside. Cheers. Oh my. Before you hand your business documents to anyone, you need to ask yourself this question: can I really trust them? Can you really trust them? You see, many first-time business owners worry about fake agents and all of that when it comes to CAC business registration. And that is why we at Angie for Love Integrated Enterprise, we prioritize transparency. You see, you always know what step we're on. We'll take you on the process. We'll give you feedback and update you on every step of the way. And you get your documents directly from CAC, e-certificate, your e-document and everything. See, Your trust is our foundation. Now, I want you to WhatsApp +1 36 99714 so that we can start your business name or your company or even your NGO registration. All right, I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.